Alright, hi. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cool fighting weapon. I have no idea what it's called, but I'll show you what it looks like. It's really cool. I don't have a name for it. It looks weird, but check it out. I'm going to show you how to make that today. So anyway, you'll start by making fold forward, do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Then take it and fold it over like that. And then you can tape it, but I'd suggest stapling. Give it a lot of staples. Alright, so anyway, then keep this here. Take another piece of paper. Any kind works. It just has to be a rectangle like this. So anyway, I want you to do the same thing here. Alright, and then grab it like this, fold it over, give it a bunch of staples, Alright, take both of them, fold it over to this side. You might want to first pull on it a little bit. And then, so anyway, put it on. You might want to use tape for this. It's kind of hard to staple. Then you take another piece of tape and tape it down to here so it stays like that. You might want to put more than a lot of tape on it, just so it stays good. Alright, and yeah, I suggest not putting anything on it to make extra weight, because it's basically perfect. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to throw it. There's a lot of different ways to throw it. First, you can do it like this, throw it like a frisbee. It's sort of boomerang-ish. So you can throw it like that. You can throw it like this. Probably the way I like to throw it is probably like this. Goes like this. Oops. Thanks for watching.